It is lovely out here. The fresh air, the cool breeze, the birds that land on your finger.
I think that only happens to you. Or not.
I'm really glad I met you.
Uh-oh.
What?
That sounds like a goodbye, and here I was hoping we'd still be able to hang out.
Stop it, you have to take off. I can't. Cut!
I was just tossing sprinkles to Fluttershy when all of a sudden they glowed. It's glowed, right? Glue, glow, 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 glue? Glue sounds like it could be right, but I don't mean glue like it's sticky. I mean glue, as in the past tense of glow. But maybe glowed is right, it just sounds wrong, am I right? Glowed, 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 glue, glowed.
Pinky, just tell us what happened.
I know I'm charming for it. You bet.
How did you know what I was thinking? Sorry for the snarf.
Why do you think we wanted our stash? Woo!
And that my great-grandparents were trespassing on her land.
Yes! So lonely cheering as one person.
It's sunset. She says to meet her by the rock quarry. Wow.
Rented lips?
Oh, funny. You say it. Rock quarry, walk. Yeah, say that 5 times fast. Rock quarry, walk quarry, rock quarry, rock away, rock. Woo, that's a tough one. Ooh, talk about a tongue twister. Rock quarry.
So much for my theory that leaving CHS would mean leaving any new magic behind. Sorry.
Hey, listen, I'm glad I ran into you.
You know you want to.